We gotta move a lawnmower, and I'm on the road right now, but there's no battery. So hopefully I don't die. Yeah! Okay. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. This is squirrely as fuck. Squirrely as fuck. The back end is terrible. Okay. Oh, I almost lost it. Oh. Okay. Got some momentum here. I hear a car and I hope that's Adrian. Covered with his Mustang. Okay, now we gotta ratchet strap it somehow. Not gonna lie, guys. I was kind of terrified. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, you're good. Did you see how squirrely that was?
No, but I know it because I drove it.
Shit, the back end. It would hit and all of a sudden, roar.
Oh, it's probably worse because
oh yeah.
Because the bolts are fully in there.
Yeah.
That's on me.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? The bolts aren't fully in.
That's on me.
God. There's a ratchet strap. Thank God Adrian put on a tow hitch package on his Mustang.
That's right. Here. There are brakes on this Kip, so
I'm not gonna use them.
you should use them because I don't want you to kill my car.
You know, it's just a Mustang. Okay. Let's not Oh Jesus, okay. We're doing good. Doing good. Okay. A lot of bumps. A lot of bumps. Okay. Squirrely. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. And a dirt road. We lost it. Something's dragging. This ratchet strap came off and something sounds like it's dragging.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, okay, it's a ratchet strap.
I'll let you go down the hill. How about that?
Alright.
You ready?
Yep. That sounds good. Oh, it sounds so terrible. That's exactly how I want my lawnmower to sound. Stage 2. Whew. Oh. Keep coming. Okay. Alright.
I think that's only a quarter mile down the road.
Yeah, we're almost there.
What happened? I think the rear end's starting to screw up more.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. One more hill.
Alright, at least the brakes work really well.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the last hill, folks. Oh, God. That lawnmower that you saw me almost die on. And sold it for booze. Got booze money now. And hey, it was kind of fun. It's the first time I've ever done anything
That crazy?
that death terrifying so far.
I do that every day.
Yeah, I'm usually the cameraman. I'm behind the lens here and some kind of, no, usually I'm in a little bit of danger also. But
Yes.
I was just telling Adrian that that lawnmower is so small and I'm so big that when I had my foot up on the brake waiting for him to stop, or if I had to hit the brake suddenly, I started to get a leg cramp. My hip started cramping up. I was like, oh God, fat person problems.
Yeah.
All right,
We're done.
we're done. So until next time, guys.
Tally ho.
Tally ho.